Good afternoon, everyone. Good. Nice. How are you all? Fine. Good. I'm good. Thank you. Nice. So, all had lunch? Those few people say no can go out, sir. I will wait for half an hour. Go out. Come quickly. Lunch is important, Ray. Dinner you can skip actually. Now, go here. Let's see. Let's start. I done for launch. You guys will get the pakka job, Ray. Sir can eat jalebi. Sometimes I feel it like even Telugu medium people are good in English. That's good. Oh, whatever. Now let's go here. Let's see one more time what we have discussed, and then we will proceed for our main point. Lot class. No, it's not lot class. Exactly. No, exactly. ETU done. How you will chat with the people, you guys? If you guys start like this with your, opposite genders, they will leave you. Now, can I eat jalebi in lunch? Yeah, you can eat anything. Now, focus yourself. Let's start the class. Now, everyone, important points, ma. I already added in the GitHub. Okay, I will add today in the drive also. In the GitHub, I already added until the yesterday one. No, yesterday one I didn't add it. Until the 10th one I added. And I added something called highest grossing collections from Hollywood movies kind of CSV file. This CSV file, you can use it in your MySql for project. Also, I added something like uh, interview questions, where for 50 interview questions of MySQL will be there. You can just have a quick read so that you will get an idea. And I will give you one file called MySQL commands. In this one, all commands will be there. If you open this one, MySQL commands, you will get complete commands, sir. In this, whatever the commands you want, the commands will be there. Inserting a record, displaying, different ways of updating. Everything is there. You can just use it whenever you want. Now, same thing. The CSV file, you go with the import manager. It will import the data. For joins one, functions one. I did a basic commands which will explain you all the commands. And advanced one, advanced one, I didn't put anything. And I will put it. Whole MySQL will be inside the MySQL one. Okay. .pdf. This is a sample database on which you can try. You just import this, you will get the sample database. Complete SQL code. Okay. Now, it will have all the tables like product lines, products, offices, employees. This is something I took it from internet, like an online compiler. So it will have all these tables and dummy data also. Automatically, you will get a much data which you can practice complete MySQL, including the joins. Okay. Now, let's start here. We are using a tool called Workbench. And I will give you the GitHub link one more time, don't worry. Now, before we start, sir, did you all started SQL 50, ma? When you will say yes, sir, Ray? No? Thank you. Good. How many of you completed at least 10? Uh-huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arey, 150 people are there. 8 people are there completed. Online also 9. That's it. Very bad. Hmm. See, boys, you know the magic which happens only in India? Students pay the fee for courses, come to the courses, not practice, and then blame the education system. Seriously, you guys came, you should practice now. Now, by end of this class, not this class, literally, means by end of this course, within end of the next week, I want 50 by 50 to complete. Okay? 50 out of 50. So you will have literally solution tab there only. Right? If you not get it, you will get the solution there only. See it and type it again. Now, that is copy. And at least copy paste don't know, right? So many people. Okay. See, whether you do copy paste or show, people should complete the work. Okay. In India, we have not. It's not about India. It's like mostly the freshers, especially COVID batch. And most of you are COVID passed out only, na? Free exam pass. Yes. What's your percentage, ma'am? 90? 98. Who got 98 in degree, though? Even university never heard of it, right? Now, if you get 70, I am fine. If you get 90, that's it, cheating. Simple. I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's see the new one. Now let's go here. Osha Sweeney. We will do Angular class. Don't worry. Now, I am gonna repeat one more time. Yesterday, what I said, we will do project. For anything, in future, as a Python people, concentrate on few things. Listen, in Python people concentrate on few things. Data science, data analysis, these things will work. Don't think about AI, machine learning, something IoT, something big things they will say in Amit. No, they are not cheating. Mostly this AI and machine learning are overrated, if I am not wrong. Because from 2016 I am learning. Machine learning is there, next everything will be machine learning. No. You don't create the nice AI. We will use ChatGPT. We don't create ChatGPT. Maybe you are that much intelligent, but believe me one thing. You are not Vasika. You don't create robots. Max to max, we watch robot or we will play with the robot. That is fine to me. Thinking practically. But do simple one, which you all can do. Use your creativity, get some job, and then you can do whatever you want. Once you get the job, you will do AI or whatever shit I don't like. Your shit. But first, pehla job aana hai. If you starting only aim for something, I will do only MIT projects. Oh no, this is not the place for you. First of all, if you do that, you won't be in here only. That's a different case. My point is so simple. Go with data analysis, data, data science, these kind of things. Okay? This is the main important. See, someone in the online said it exactly the truth. Freshers are the assets of the training institutes. Now, this is my biggest question. Why? You know why? See, in software industry, there are so many people. Like, if you go to high-tech city, there are so many people. Those people also are having jobs, but they don't know most of the things. My colleagues don't know most of the things. Some are fake and some are less. But they don't go to institutes. You know who go to institute? The one who don't know. The one who really wants to know. The one who needs to, like, it has to be some kind of desperations. Okay? Some kind of, they will assure you like 100% they will give placement. But believe me, this is all not reality. No one will say like tomorrow job is there, you will go for that. No, they will teach you 100% course. For example, take my course. I will teach you Python, I will teach you MySql completely, which is necessary for your Python. But if you don't practice, a zero hai, simple. I will teach you MongoDB. But doesn't mean you will become MongoDB developer or you will get tomorrow MongoDB job. No. If you practice it, you will get it. Out of 150 people or 200 people, maximum 30 or 40 people only will do 100%. You may be in the 30, you are in the another 120, you will take the course. That is what the whole American people are doing it. Go and ask someone. Those people are learning it for years. I know one student who is learning in different institute from 4 years in America only. They learn everything. Okay. One day they learn Python, one day they learn Java, one day they learn new things. But that is not right. Learn one thing. It depends on you 100%. Learn one thing and that is 100%. Learn. And then start the job. Data analysis is the easiest part if I had to suggest it. Two things are easy targets in industry. One is designing. It's all creativity. One is data analysis. It's all your logical mind. How to do an analysis. These two are different. You don't need any coding for this. Or if you want to do coding, front end is easy part. Or if you want to go with back end or full stack applications, then Java, Python, so many are there. Learn any one programming language, automatically you will know all programming languages. You got my point, right? People will say it like practice makes man perfect. That is 100% true. But how much time you will practice, sir? You do 1 day practice, 2 day practice, 3 day practice, 4th day start the job. Simple. How many days you will do swimming practice? Did anyone learn swimming, sir, here? How many of you know swimming here? Boys, everyone should know, Ray. Pakka remaining people like. So what you will do, Ray? What if suddenly water comes? What you will do? This is not Titanic, Ray. Now, so the point is so simple. People who knows it will understand. Initially, you will learn for 1-2 days only, ma. Third day, you will directly go into the water. Automatically, it will teach you. You will learn the swimming once you go into the water. You have to start it. Whether you know it or not. After learning the basic, you should jump into the water. Initially, you will say, you can't able to. Automatically, your life survives. Job is also like that. 2 days, 3 days, you will practice. That's it. 4th day, automatically, you will, habits with it. First day, it will be difficult. Second day, difficult. Third day, difficult. After 1 month, you will play with it. If you can't play with it, you are not fit for the job. Simple. Okay. Now, similarly, I want to do it here. Basic data analysis. Okay. On data sets from Kaggle. This is the project. Data sets of Kaggle. Now, for the persons who don't know, we have checked already data sets from Kaggle, sir. Did you guys find any Kaggle set interesting? Did anyone check the Kaggle sets, ma, after the class? Any interesting Kaggle set you find? Yesterday I downloaded and imported one Kaggle set. Actually, what is the Kaggle set? SP2. I installed something SP2. Like, did you find it anything installed? You can tell me, ma. Interesting. So that I will suggest to the remaining people. Kaggle, datasets. Python people can actually get it more interesting in this. You can do it so many here. Someone suggested this. I loved it. IPL. IPL complete dataset from 2008 to 2024. Okay. It's a bad habit, but some boys have it, which is called betting in IPL. Okay, it's a bad habit. I'm against it. But the point is, I have one friend who do that, but he don't blindly bet. He knows every statistic of the person. If he bets on the person, anyone who bets actually, you think that they are just blindly putting the money. No, they will assess the match. They will assess the pitch, which pitch they are playing. They will say it like, this pitch last time they win, I guess last time they did not win. And which bowler, and which batsman, which team, and in that team, what player are there? Everyone statistics they know, including how many sixes, how many fours every batsman they did in different matches. Right? With this data only, they will accurately tell Ma, this ball will be good, this match will be good. And sometimes I was so shocked, it's so accurate. He said it like, this pitch he will win, simple. And that pitch is won, he won, simple. Because data is there, right or not? Imagine you don't know anything, bro. Imagine a 0% knowledge in person came to the cricket one and he wants to bet. But this guy analyzes something. Maybe your analysis may be wrong. I'm not getting it. But there is a chance, good probability. On that probability, people bet. My point is, this is the data which is of 2008 to 24. Imagine someone analyzed this data. See match number, innings number, rating of the team, bowling team. Oh, sorry, it's not rating. It's a batting team, bowling team, overs. Every over by over. Oh, it is having so many fields, right? Like, let me give it here. What columns more are there? Or go to the top. Now, over number, ball number, batter, and batter how much they did, bowler how much they did, finally who is the man of the match, everything they did. Right? Now, based on this, you can able to find it. Which data is good? There is one more thing called matches CSV. If you combine this matches CSV and delivery CSV, and then you can able to create an actual prediction. Are you getting my point? Whether I can able to bet on this person or not, you can predict it using this data. And I'm not saying you to go for betting. I'm saying it like just as a game. Imagine a simple game which can give you analysis. Simple. Okay? Those kind of things you can try it, ma. And IPL data is good. And it's a real-time data. You can check it on. Any other data you find? Any other data you find? You said you checked data, na? IMDb. IMDb what? Obviously, IMDb movies data set. IMDb movie data analysis. If I go data sets, IMDb movie data set. It is having it like 1,000 movies data is there and TV shows. Movie poster, movie series, movie release year. So which year, which movie is good? Which genre is good? What is a normal runtime? Imagine you are doing one movie, sir. Imagine tomorrow one movie story you are preparing it. Now how you will prepare it? I am saying it if you normally do it, it won't be a good. Imagine you check the previous data. What is the maximum success rate based on genre? If someone said it like horror genre is more successful in this Hyderabad. So if Hyderabad you are making a movie, make it a horror movie because it has a more success rate. And which star? What is the normal duration for a particular successful movies? And you can able to get it. Those kind of things. Someone is saying it like movie recommendation system. Actually movie recommendation system is one of the Python projects. That can be a good project actually in your Python. Even artificial intelligence is trying for it. Movie recommendation systems. Those are very good. It's like based on your thought, you can able to recommend a movie. Imagine you go to one website and website asks you, how are you feeling today? If you are saying it like I'm sad, then automatically it is suggesting you nice sad movies or happy movies to make you cheerful. You got my point? Those kind of things are actually good, Ray. Nice. Oh, someone is setting it Russia, Ukraine war, Formula One. Nice, nice. Okay, I am going with today this SPP. What is this SPP? Yesterday I did exams. Student performance analysis. Student performance prediction. Go here. I have one table. Let me print the table. I will give you the query. You give the answers. Simple. Now, gender, race, parental level of education. Now, lunch, test course, test preparation, math score, reading, writing. Now, first, average score, average score based on gender. Print average score based on gender, sir. Write a query to retrieve the data of average scores, which we are having it math. We are having it math score, reading score, writing score based on the gender, sir. Quickly. I'm going to shorten the columns. I'm going to shorten the column names. Started now 3:40 an hour. Guys, listen, just to write it easily, I am just changing it, the column names. I know that how to change the column names, you have to write it alter table, change column name. Instead of changing it, I'm directly changing it in the, backspace, simple. You should not do it normally like this. When you are doing it, you will use command prompt. I am doing it directly. If I do it, it will only do the commands. See, change column and all. This is how you have to do actually. Okay? Which I am changing it normally. Any doubts, ma? That is the use of workbench basically. Workbench will give you faster. Now, next. If anyone did not understand how I did, left hand side. Can you see here left side some settings icon? Can you see left side some wrench icon, ma? If you click on this wrench icon, automatically it will open. If you want to change the data type, you can change it here. If you want to change the name, you can just click on this and then change it. If you want to make it a primary key, you can put it as a primary key. If you want to make it any unique, you can make it as unique. You can change anything, sir. And then last, click on it here, apply, automatically it will apply for all. Change race to race only, simple. Now, anyway, now table column names are changed. Go here. I'm gonna see the tables. Everyone print. Write a query to print average scores based on gender, sir. Write a query to print average scores based on gender. Oh, yeah, here gender is there. Female, male, gender is there. Do it, sir. People who are having in systems, do it in systems. People who are having it in papers, do it in papers. Try something. చెప్పమ్మా. Data set. This data set you want. Where did I put this data set? Exams. No, student performance, I think. Not. Yes. If anyone wants the same data set which I am working on, you can take it from my GitHub. I am just uploading it into my GitHub, even online. If you want to practice it, the exact same database, I will show you. Commit, push, push. Now, it is there in the GitHub, online. If you wanted the same thing, how do you import your thing? How do you import this? Create one database. Already I did yesterday. Create one database. This time I'm creating a database movies. I will show you again. I created one database, sir. After creating the database, go here, right click, load import data, import table data, select here. I am selecting the data movies. You select the data student performance. Just now only I give. I select it. Highest Hollywood grossing movies. Next, next, next. That's it. It will only import the whole data now. Next. 954 records are in the movies. You can analyze the movie data also on your own. Now, okay, let's write it, sir. I'm writing out my first query. Select. Tell me, sir, select. I need it gender, average. What do you need average on? Math scores. So what is this score names here? Table names, I forgot. On the table, math, reading, writing. Math, reading, writing. Math, reading, writing. Oh, you need to do separately, sir. You can't do combine. Because column wise you have to do. Average, reading, average, writing. You did 3. Now, from table name exams, table name exams. Do I have any conditions? No. Group by gender. No database is selected. I should select the database. Use SPP. Now, this is my average now. Now everyone, make it a report, sir. This answer I have to save it now. This answer I have to save it now. Now, see here, save button will be there. Export. Now here, everyone see it here. One button is there. Export as a file. If you click on it, you can save that as an external file. Only the particular result table is there, na? Result table will store it as a new Excel file. Result table will store it as a new Excel file. Like that, I will store all Excel files. Now, I will create one data report on SPP. Inside this, I will write it here. Name is gender wise. Gender wise. हो गया. Explain again how to insert the data into database. I am telling you, right click, import wizard. Table import wizard will come and there you install. हो गया ना? Now, second one. Gender wise, I am getting it now. What is your observation? Which gender is getting it more good? Now, if you see, math wise, male gender is getting good. Reading wise, female gender is getting good. And writing wise, female gender is getting good. Okay? This is just our observation. So now, on generally, now one person is there. That person is a female. Based on the data, I will say, this person may be good in writing and in the math may not be. It's what? Based on the data. You all got my point, sir? Now, next one. Second analysis. You have to think, sir, what questions you have to make. I am thinking and making the questions on my own. Now, how do you give performance to a student? One is gender. Second one, just to check it. Is it by ethnicity? Is it by race? Can you get it? Now, average based on race. Average based on race. Here, different race people are there. Group D, Group D, Group C, Group D, Group A, Group E, J. So many are there. And which race is getting which? Now, go here. Same logic. Everyone. Find the average based on the race. Select race, comma, average math, average reading, average writing, from exams where not where, no need of where, na? Group by race. I also want them to order, sir. Have some order. Order by race. Order by race. Someone is asking me why we are using grouping. Because I have to know group A, how much percentage they are having. Group B, how much percentage they are having. Group C, how much they are having it, kind of thing. Okay. Now, go here. Next. Let me know if anyone have any doubts, sir. Clear? Now, just note it down, sir. If anyone have any doubts, you can ask me, ma. It's a chota project I'm giving it. Simple. Now, let's save this. Race wise. Race wise. Race wise. Someone is asking it like how to edit the field name. What field name you want to edit, ma? Like table field name? Click on setting icon, you will get it one table. There you can edit directly. If it is not coming for you, you have to use alter table change column to another name. Okay. Yeah, I got it here. Next. Next. Which one we can do more? Um, what more we can do? Lunch based. Standard lunch, free lunch. Yeah. Standard lunch, free lunch. And course wise also you can find. Student wise also you can find. You need to find two more, sir. Parent wise, lunch wise, course wise. Do the same query, parent wise, lunch wise, and course wise. You can even create one procedure where you can change these things, but this is actually good. Do it parent wise, course wise, parent wise, course wise, and lunch wise. Now, so I am just giving it multiple things quickly. Select course, course. Now, if you want it, guys, listen. If you want it total average, you can even add them directly as total. You can print it even in previous things also, like total how much they are getting it each person, kind of one. Less is for addition only, no? Force. See, course wise, this is the logic. Completed is getting a course wise of 220 and 100. If you want it separately, you can give separately also. Your wish. I am always going with separate one, but if you are going, I will go separate one, and again I will do the same queries, type separate also. I will do lot of files and I will put one nice report simply. Okay? Are you all getting my point, ma? Yeah. Now, this is just a simple project, ma. It's all about your thought. Now, course wise. See, people who completed the course are getting average of 70. People who completed the course are getting 74. People who completed are getting it some kind of, this total showed though. This is a mistake, Ray. Are getting it average in writing 75. But who are not completed are getting it somewhat less. That means people, if they should complete the course. Course wise, I'm gonna replace it. Yes. Sir, I am trying to import the CSV. It is saying it 0 records are imported. That means data is not importing. Check it why. Did anyone try to import the data, sir? People who are using in systems, did anyone tried it? Is it successful for you? Ah, then Neha, you have to try it, ma. I thought it's only in mine. Maybe somewhere you are wrong. Slowly check it. If still not working, tell me. I will check it with you. Okay. Now, next. Okay. Now, guys, the interesting column is there. I know this is not a great one, but still, just for a curiosity, I'm saying it. Parents' degree. If parent is some college, what kind of average they will get? Or if parents are for some kind of associate degrees, what kind of thing they will get? Or if parents are some kind of high school graduates, or parents having bachelor degree, what they will get? Right, ma. I think charging I will put. I don't think it's have much impact, but still, these days parents' scores are also people are checking. Use SPP. Or someone asked me a question: how many students are average greater than 50? Yeah, that's a good question. How many people pass the fail? I wanna check it. Okay, I will check it here. First, the parents' degree, sir. Based on parents, print them. Same thing. Parent, comma, average, math, average, reading, average, writing, as, no, from, exams, um, exams, group by, parents, got it, go here, parent wise, quickly do it, sir, data. Next, we are doing all of this just to analyze whether we can able to bring the inputs or not. We want to just finalize it, simple. Now, based on the lunch, only two types of lunch are there, standard or pre-reduced. I will do that also. Select lunch, average, math, average, writing, reading, average, writing, from, table name, exams, group by lunch. Okay, grouping things are over. Total 5 groupings are there, all are over now. I just grouped them. Now lunch wise. Okay, 5 CSVs are done. Next one, maximum. Not maximum. People are saying it like how many people are greater than 50, how many people are less than 30 kind of thing. Okay. Now let's see. One more question someone asked. Let's try this question. Now you also give me some questions, sir, so that we will think about it, whether it will be valid or not. Okay. One of the question posed by Aditya Gupta is how many students average greater than 50. So it is the average of, listen, it is the average of individual students. It is the average of Individual student. How do you get individual average student? Tell me. You have to add math. You have to add reading. You have to add writing, and then divide it by 3. Then you will get the average score for each person. In that percentage, whatever the result you got, in that percentage, whatever you get greater than the 50, those people will should get. You got my point? Yeah. So select student name. But there is name, no name only. How can I print it then? You can't print the things only. You can print it. How can I print it like group wise? No. I don't want any wise also. If I select average also, because I want count only, simple. We can give count only, because if I give individual, how can I distinguish the people? Okay. There is no name column, which is wrong actually. So, no unique columns only. So, I will go with something called count. Count asterisk. Count asterisk. From exams. Where math plus reading plus writing /3 /3 greater than 50. Now there is something wrong in this data also, sir, because there is no unique field only. But you can able to analysis. No worries. Now, out of 1,000 students, 898 people are greater than greater than 98 only. 898 are greater than 50. Sorry, that means very less number of people are less than 50. That's not a bad one actually. Okay, so as greater than 50, as greater than 50, and now and let's go with union. Select count asterisk count asterisk as less than 50. From exams where math plus reading plus writing /by 3 less than or equals to 50. Both are coming with single row column only. I wanted separate columns. And no. If I do union, they are coming combined because both are count asterisk only. How can I solve this? I used union because I will get it both separately. But I'm not getting separately. Why don't I write it this only here? No, I can't write it there. Because the condition is there. Why do we used union, sir? Please explain. I used union so that I will get it this greater than and then less than both. Okay. But it is both are coming in single one. I have to use some kind of join here. Sure. Now next. But the point is so simple. You have to go with the different names. Here I will save this one only, which is greater than. Later I will subtract it from 1000. Greater than 50. Someone is saying it like, how do I find it the fifth highest marks? Or fourth highest marks? Or third highest marks? If you want to find it like something highest marks, you have to make them order and then find it. Make them in an order so that you will get it, rank wise. Fifth one, sixth one kind of one. You can even give ranks. There is something called rank. I already uploaded whatever the whatever the data set I'm using in the GitHub. You can check it, sir. Okay. Now you can use max or min for the top one. Okay. Next. Let's go here. Here in this one, we can't get it any kind of self join only. Think about, is there any possibility with the self joins here? Basically, did you remember our example where employees and managers are there? Okay. But here, no. Why? Because here, listen, always remember, ma. You will do joins when you are comparing with kind of unique values. Usually IDs will take. Here there is no ID only. Or not even the name. Here 7 columns are there, 7 or 8 columns are there. All are non-unique columns only. There is no primary key only in this table. Okay. Usually in real time, this type of tables will not be entertained. Okay. So you will not use this, but still, if anyone is using this data map, better in Excel add the IDs so that you can use it. Next one. Any other questions? Anyone have any other questions? No. Okay. Then I will do the report, ma. Everyone, see this. I am getting only few results. I am trying to do the report. In case if we need it, we will do it again. Don't worry, because workbench is here. Okay. Listen to this question, everyone. Imagine in my school, principal gave me this particular data set and he said it array analysis, do some analysis on the student report. I did the analysis now. Now if I give this data, listen guys, if I give this data, will the principal understand all the Excel sheets? No. To understand the principle, we need to make it some kind of data, some kind of report, dashboards, column chart, bar chart, graph chart, some kind of charts you have to make it. To make it the chart, sir, you can give here, you can use tools like, there are some famous tools. I will show you some tools, ma. One of the popular tools people use is Power BI. You can use Power BI or Google free tool is also there. Power BI is not free, paid. There is another thing called Google Data Studio, which is free. Google Data Studio, which is also called Looker, Google Data Studio or Power BI, or you have something called Tableau. Okay. You have so many other things. These all are Power data visualization tools. Analysis people should do this. Now, in my way, I will teach you this Power BI in simple way. I'm not going into Power BI. It is not a Power BI course, but still, I will tell you basics of Power BI. Now go ahead. Power BI, go to this, downloads. Let me download it. Power BI download for Windows. Download Power BI desktop. Go here, select the language, English only. Select 64-bit. Please see it line by line, ma. If you are not getting it, I will repeat it. I am selecting it 64-bit. Down. You can note it down. Do I have Power BI already? No Power BI is there. Fine to me. I have some folder. No worries. Let it download. Oh, it is 524 MB. Okay, it takes some 2 minutes. Kuch nahi hota. Just download it, ma. If you want free tool, actually Google Data Studio is also fine only, but Power BI is famous. In job interviews, if you are going, you know data analysis and you know MySql, you know Python and you know Power BI. It will be a good tool. You will get the job 100%. What is this 524 MB size, sir? I'm not downloading it. Huh? Online, I will give you the link also, ma. Click on this link only. You will get it download. It is Microsoft only. Sir, if you have Tableau, use that only. But I am not teaching the Tableau one. Simple. See, your internet is speed. For me, I am half only now. You know, now actually 524 when it is downloading in 2 minutes only, we are feeling so much bad. Exactly 5 years back, not 5 years, some kind of 7-8 years back, when it is 2016 kind of one, to download this kind of 100 MB, we used to stay it like for 1 hour. Has anyone used that, normal chota phone and 2G internet, ma? We used to put night download, in morning we used to download. So much difficult time, Ray. Jio changed everything. Oh. Good. Yes. Ento kashtapadam. Em chestam? Ayipindi. Hold memories. Yeah. Honey Singh 2G era. I don't know who is that guy. I am 2G only. Now let's open it. Sir, is it free to download? Yes, I am downloading for free only na. If it is paid, I would have stopped the class only. Don't worry. Okay. The moment they said paid, I will stop it and I will please Google Studio. Select the language. English. If anyone knows any other, fine with me. English. Next. Preparing to install. Next. Kanaya. French is not there, Kanaya. French is there. Go here. Create a desktop shortcut. No need. Next. How much time, Ray? It is simple, sir, to install. Directly click next, install. If anyone offline also doing with me, just install this, sir. Okay? You have not done only. Why? Let hotspot right there, na? 1 GB, what you will do, Ray? Night. One night only, na? Leave it, na? Chhod Ray. One night also you can't sacrifice for Power BI. You are in hostel or room? Hostel free Wi-Fi right there, na? You have your problems, Ray. Chhod do. Someone's online, they are not getting 2 GB also enough. What they will watch, Ray? 3 hours, 4 hours. Watch movie. I don't know what you guys thinking. I'm saying about Netflix. See, these people are not even understanding. Is it Korean language saying? It's better they did not understand. If they understand, it's too bad. Now, let's go here. File name, option select, and wait. Already 17 GB used, huh? Hemant, what you will do in NASA project? 17 GB you used. 4 classes per day. Ayyo. How much your class will take, Ray? Maximum 1 GB. Ayyo. Per day 17 GB. Which plan you are going with, Ray? 1 lakh. Hamaya, finally it's over, Ray. Finish. In Prime movie watch, don't watch it, Ray. I think all are doing it, that IO movie, old man's things. Now, anyway, guys, listen this. Finally, something opened here, which is a Power BI, I assume. Now, click here, blank report. Blank report. Now, can you see here one report is there, which is blank. Now, the tool is very simple. Always the tool needs some kind of data. When you give the data, it will visualize the tool. Now, the data can be given from SQL server. The data can be given from table. If you have a table, directly give the table. But I am giving data from SQL file. Excel file. I have an Excel file now. So I am giving Excel file. Select. What Excel file you are selecting? Desktop, Naresh IT, DBS2. I did some reports, right? I select one report. All files. Now I will select something called gender wise. Enter. Now can you see gender wise some data is there? It's entered. Can you see it, ma? You can see it, sir, here. The data is entered with one wizard. Okay. The wizard is having something called load data or transform data or something. Okay. Any doubts here? Oh, go back. Now, is it clear, everyone? I'm repeating one more time. Excel, go here, select all files, select gender wise, open. Now, let's load the data with you, everyone. Do it here. Are everyone done? Now, oh, you guys are not downloaded only. Now let me load the data. Load. Now the data will be loaded into one model. Now, whenever listen. Now data is loaded na. Everyone see. Data is loaded na. Now you can select here. You can select here any kind of table. The data will be converted into that particular chart. You can select any kind of chart here. The data will load into that chart. I am selecting chart called pie chart. Pie chart will give you circular information. Now I am selecting pie chart. Pie chart. Now, why this is not populated? Just a minute. Now, why the data is not loaded, right? Okay. Blank report. Somewhere something is wrong. Select the data. I selected the data. Gender wise. It will come. Let's click on transform data this time. I know this transform data will give this kind of silly things only. No, I want load data only. I thought Excel file it will load. Actually, it should load. Go here. Load. Load. It is loaded. Build visual. Data pane onto the report with tags. Why these things are not coming? Oh, now I got it. The interface is changed. Listen, if I select the pie chart, can you see right side they are loaded? Right side they are loaded here. Now I will select gender. If I select gender, average. Now see if you select it here, based on that the data is visualized. Okay. Males average and females average are having it some kind of like this. Now I don't like this. Instead, I will go with some kind of column chart. Or some kind of this. Now, this one is now. This one is now. This one is good. Now go here. This is my table, sir. Everyone. Now, let me repeat it everything once. Now, guys, see this ma? Power BI desktop. Open it. Power BI desktop. Open it. Click on blank report. Import data from Excel. If you don't, you can here data Excel one here. I am clicking it only and I am selecting here all files. So CSV file will come. Gender wise, that table will come. Now, that whole table will load here. Now, if you see right side, data under data, the table will come. I will show you. Can you see here? The table data is there. Now, listen, you don't need to teach to that. Automatically understand when you are giving the marks based on table, it will only fit it exactly. Now, you should think about which chart will be good. How to create the table. Did I create a table here? I created one table in the MySql and then I never created. I just imported one table into MySql and save that query tables into some another X files and that Excel files I am taking it here. Now, take it here. Now, which is will be good? Females how much good in reading, in writing, and females how much good in writing. So those things are right itself. Gender, select it here. Math, average. Now I just select which chart to go. Your bar graph. This is bar. Hey, this is bar chart na. First one fourth. This one is actually good ray. And title name. You can see left and right column name. You can change it here. X-axis gender is there. Y-axis math and all are there. Change. There. Pie chart will be good when you know when you are having average for group A, average for group B, average for group C. Pie chart will be good. But here for each group three averages are there. You are getting. I am not getting some average. If you get some average, it would be pie chart perfect. Group A bigger or group C bigger, group B bigger. You will get it easily. Okay, we will the mistake there. No, anyway. Someone said it fourth row. Second row, fourth. What is this? 100% stacked area chart. I don't know what is that ray. Scatter chart, no need. This one is good. But by seeing it, how you will understand math or which one, Ray? Not good. It is showing it only one thing. I am not getting all averages, huh? See, x-axis race, y-axis. So now, listen, sir. I will give here everyone. I will give here based on the group three graphs. Instead of giving one, I will give three. Sum of average one and next race and reading and another chart. This is also same thing only, but this time based on reading. Now, next one. Writing. Now, by seeing this, people should understand. Now, by seeing this principle, will understand which group is good in reading. Obviously, group E. Group E is good in math, or group E is good in reading. Group E is good in writing also. Just by seeing that, you can able to understand itself. Any doubts, my here? Are you all understanding? Now, next one. Same thing. Let's finish it up so that I will do the report and I can send it. Parents wise, load the data. Now you can select any other things. Imagine you select IPL, so you can give a graph. Okay. For all graphs, you should understand what is what, what is basic uh, theme and section. Once you use Copilot and do it, sir. Why I will use Copilot, sir? Now data is loaded parent wise. Parent wise. Here Python visual. Yeah. Because something called Python visual is there. If you know Python and you can able to write the data based on the visual will come. And I'm not a Python role. I am doing it. People who are having master's degree are black color. People who are sky blue color. People who are having associate degree are violet color. People who are having bachelor degree are orange color. Like that. These kind of things will make you better developer, sir. Okay, so better data analysis, sir. Now next. Okay, I forgot to give the name, sir, here. Gender wise. text box, gender wise report, average reports. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Next one, sir. Like this, you should give it for all, sir. Let's go here. Let's complete it. Online, please understand if anyone have any doubts, ma. How to give it's a box text. It is very simple. How to extract Excel file when you perform one query. Whenever you perform one query, no. पेरेंट वाइज हो गया, लंच वाइज नॉट हुआ एंड कोर्स वाइज नॉट हुआ. कोर्स वाइज go here ఫ్రీ మ్యాప్ నో సెలెక్ట్ చేయలేదా కోర్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ looking too different, difficult to understand, but only one thing it is coming. But we have so many things, sir, but check it on which one you wanna give. Once everything is over, sir, go here, file, export it as a PDF file so that you can give it to your presenter. You see the report. My point, sir. So someone gave you one big Excel file and you analyzed with some questions and then you made some questions on your own. You did SQL queries. You saved them. You go to Power BI. You presented visuals. This is how it works. Like sales data, profit data, Q3, Q4 sales data or some kind of profit data in a company. Those kind of things are good. Any doubts, ma? Future in every company, this kind of tools people will need, sir. Sir, can we use Tableau public for this one? I'm not much aware of the Tableau, but actually you can do it. How to download PDF in Power BI? Go here, file, export, export as PDF. It will export it. Simple. Go here, file, export as PDF. It will export as PDF. Ma. Don't publish it. It will ask you sign up and all. Don't sign in. I will give you headings all the time. Okay, just a minute. Again here. This is gender wise now. Gender wise. Where is this heading, Ray? I put it something gender wise heading. What happened to it? Now go here. I will put the heading, sir. See, it is there top. Oh, it is not there top also. I thought it is there in the top. Okay. Anyway, I will put a new one then. Go here, insert a new text box. Go here, select the type, whatever it is, comic, 40. Where is this file here? Now enter gender what? Performance. Gender wise average performance हो गया. Same thing. Go here. Now next one, sir. See here. We are using something called next one. We are using here. Why two only coming? No, three are there. Now this is by race wise. Go here. Race wise. Guys, focus here. Text box. Race wise performance. Race wise performance analysis. No, average. Average. Comic. It's better to keep everywhere same thing. Minimize the font size. PDF కి ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ అయినప్పుడు అయిపోతుంది. లైన్ అంతా వస్తుంది, కంగారేం లేదు. బట్ ఎనీవే దట్స్ డన్. నెక్స్ట్ సేమ్ గో హియర్. This guy is wise. Parent wise. Parent wise analysis. Average. Analysis. Okay. 40. Next. Next one, sir. Listen, everyone. Today is not the last lecture of MySql. Tomorrow will be the last lecture of MySql. Tomorrow will be revision, interview questions, or any of your questions will be solved out. Or if you guys really practice and get any kind of doubts or something will be cleared out. Those kind of things will be done. Then aram we will go from Saturday onwards, MongoDB. Okay? Saturday onwards. Okay. You think whatever you like. Now, next one. Go here. If half of the MongoDB will be over by Monday, what you will do? Now, next one. Okay, we'll think about it more. Don't worry, online. Now, last one. What is this, Ray? Course wise. Actually, listen. Just in a case, hypothetically, I am asking. Imagine we go from Monday onwards. Just hypothetically. Will you guys practice Saturday? Yes, we will start from Monday, don't worry. Saturday we'll do some kind of revision. Now, good. Course wise. But interesting point, sir. By next Saturday, your course will be over. No, I don't think so. Next Saturday, listen. Course won't be over. By next, your MongoDB will be over. MongoDB 1 week it will be. Then next Monday we will do MongoDB project. One MongoDB project. Then Tuesday we'll do interview questions and again MySql and MongoDB repeat. Maximum Tuesday or Wednesday will be over the next. In 10 days, that's it. It's a 20 days one. Now, last one. Anyway, I will leave you, Ray. Why that much happy? Course over happiness, eh? Then, oh yeah, good. Average performance. Tomorrow class is there, ma. If you are thinking about day after tomorrow, don't skip tomorrow. Okay. Now, let's finalize this. हो गया. Okay, everything is over, ma. Go here, save, export to PDF. Everything will be exported as PDF. Now see, oh, it is there. I thought it is spoiled. No, it is there only. That was very bad. Now my report is bad. Anyway, race wise, parent wise, course wise, like this, listen, like this, everyone try to create your own report on your own analysis. Your own it is make a question, and if you are not getting it, come to me, I will tell you. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you all, ma. You can leave. Yeah. Sir, Sir, will you make a real-time project for the same resume purpose? Same thing you can do customer analysis instead of student analysis. Do it some customer analysis. It will be resume wise. Resume it will be good if it's customer analysis. Girls, just wait for 2 minutes, ma. Let the boys leave. Sai Sindhu. What is Power BI? Sai Sindhu. You have doubt in Power BI? It's a simple tool. Right? Open it and I think you have some works. Go on. Huh. Python class. Huh? Go on. Who will take class at 42 though? By 3:42 only they will take class. Go. Extra class. Go on. Can we put this project on resume? No, it is a chota project. I will take it like customer analysis, something big data. Use some real data. Some of us are doing tables in command prompt. Then how can we export data? You can't do it. Simple. Okay. That's why I'm telling you to use Workbench. Thank you. How much time will you take MongoDB? 1 week. Exactly 1 week MongoDB. Will you provide data? I already provided data. You can take it actually. It's there in GitHub. SQL.